Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your online presence, and it does not always require you to show your. In this video, we're going to go through 6 simple steps using 2 different examples to show you how you can use affiliate marketing and still make really good money online without showing your face. As we go through the video today, if you would like to learn more about affiliate marketing or get a free copy of my ebook on affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. Step 1 is to find your niche. The first step in any successful affiliate marketing campaign is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you have knowledge about? What can you help inspire others to do? Have you been through a specific journey, whether it be weight loss, mental health? Are you passionate about dogs, like we're going to use in one of the examples today? Go ahead and list all of these things out. Choosing a niche that you're actually interested in is going to help you create authentic content that actually resonates with the type of people that are going to purchase from you. Our 2 examples today is a YouTube channel called Relaxing White Noise and an Instagram account called The Doggist. Relaxing White Noise is a YouTube channel that has over 3.1 million subscribers and a total of 1.6 billion views across its 826 videos. This video channel specializes in calming white noises. This is actually an incredibly genius tactic because it delivers high value content to its viewers without ever having to show the owner's face. I actually came across this YouTube channel a few years ago when we had our first baby, and we were looking for a way to help our baby learn how to sleep. And as you can see, this one video alone has over 202 million views. While I don't know the exact status of this particular YouTube channel, I do know that YouTube has demonetized a lot of these types of channels, but that doesn't matter for this channel because they're making money in other ways. When I first saw this video a few years ago and I scrolled down to the description, I noticed that they had an Amazon product listed down below. It was for a white noise machine that Amazon sold. It looks like this channel has changed their affiliate offer in this video anyway to a weighted blanket. And the weighted blanket is offered by a company that is most likely paying them a much higher percentage of each sale than Amazon would. And considering that these blankets start at $179 and go up from there, this is probably a very healthy margin considering that over 200 million people have already viewed this video. Our second example is the Instagram account called The Doggist. This Instagram account has over 4.9 million followers on Instagram alone. In this particular account, it does appear that the owner and or owners of this company do choose to show their face sometimes in their videos, but they easily would not have to because as you can tell on this Instagram account, they highlight dogs. It looks like they go up to people on the streets and ask them to take a picture of their dog. And most people want to show off their dog. It's a win-win situation. I have a feeling they share the final photos with the owner of the dog, and then they get to use this dog on their content for their Instagram account. And obviously this Instagram account targets the dog lovers out there. So the Doggist actually uses affiliate marketing through their newsletter. So if you click the link in their bio, it's a link tree. Here you can also sign up for their newsletter. And considering they have just shy of 5 million people following their Instagram account, I'm assuming they have a very, very robust email list. They send out a newsletter weekly. They have affiliate links all over in those newsletters to different pet products. I know, for example, that Chewy, which is a dog product website, has a really wonderful payout for their affiliates. And they most likely also do other high ticket affiliate offers for things like dog training. Honestly, a genius tactic if you ask me. Step 2 is to create high quality, valuable content. Once you've identified your niche, focus on creating high value, high quality content to share with this audience. You don't have to show your face. In fact, in the 2 examples that we've shown, these accounts were able to provide high value content to their followers without ever having to show their face. Other ways you can do this is through educational type of videos, screen recordings. If you are comfortable sharing your voice, you could do voiceovers. There's many different ways that you could approach this. In our case studies, Relaxing White Noise provides highly valuable content, as I know as a consumer of this channel, to their customers by creating videos and noises that help them either focus on sleep or focus perhaps while studying. The Doggist shares very compelling stories focused on different dogs. Before we move on to step 3, if you're learning something from today's video, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. On this channel, we talk all about how to make money online, how to manage that money wisely, and create the life you love. Step 3 is to incorporate your unique affiliate links strategically. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to share products or services that align with your niche and audience. Research and identify reputable affiliate offers that apply to your niche. The key word here is reputable, because you want to trust this company and be very confident in promoting their services or products. Do your research before you just go out there and promote any product or service. You want to make sure it aligns with your values as an individual, as well as your values as a company, and resonates with your audience. Once you've identified these affiliate opportunities, you're going to apply through the company. You can literally just search any company affiliate program and it's going to pop up. Over 86% of companies have affiliate programs. And from there, you're going to apply and they're going to send you a unique link, unique to you, that's going to track any clicks coming to the company sent to them by you. And you're going to go ahead and start incorporating these links in strategic places. In the case of Relaxing White Noise, this is in the YouTube descriptions. In the case of the Doggo's Instagram account, they're sending these affiliate links out in their newsletters that they send out weekly. It's also really important to be transparent with your audience and let them know that these are affiliate links and that there's a chance you will be getting a commission from any sales made from what you're recommending. But also, hopefully, you're recommending all new products that you know and trust, or know and trust the overall company. After all, building trust with your audience is the key to long-term success with affiliate marketing. In our 2 case studies, Relaxing White Noise is promoting products like white noise machines and weighted blankets, things to do with sleep or focus. And the dog is promoting things like Chewy for things like dog toys and dog food. And those are reoccurring expenses, which can be really exciting in the affiliate community, or higher ticket items like dog training services. Step number 4 is to engage with your audience. It's crucial to not just post and ghost. Once you post, it's crucial to keep up that relationship with your followers so that you build trust and loyalty in your company. You can do this through simply replying to comments made on your video or your posts. You can do this through the DMs. Particularly effective way right now is through the voiceover version on the DMs, and then also give personalized recommendations and answer specific questions that your following is asking you. This is all ways to build trust with your audience. Step number 5 is to optimize your search engine optimization, or SEO, and your marketing strategies. Be sure to conduct keyword research to know exactly which phrases and individual words are being searched in your specific niche. Once you've identified these key phrases and words, be sure to strategically place them. Use those words specifically in your videos. Use them in your titles. Use them in your tags and your hashtags. This is going to help you reach new audiences. Step number 6 is to monitor and analyze your results. I'm a big data nerd, so this is perhaps one of the most important steps for me, because I want to make sure that any of my future efforts and future time spent is going to very, very good use. And you can do this by analyzing your past results. You can use a various array of different analytics tools to understand what demographic is actually engaging with your content and what their purchasing behavior is. Again, this is going to bring you back into that cycle where you're going to use that information that you have to do more SEO research, update those titles and tags, make new content with those validated keywords, and the cycle continues from there. In conclusion, it is very, very possible to have very successful and lucrative affiliate marketing campaigns that do not show your face. It's all about building an audience or providing valuable content to an audience, and then placing those affiliate links strategically throughout your content, whether that's in your descriptions, through a link tree, through a newsletter, to get that information out there in a way that's actually going to help your audience. And then when they purchase, that's actually a way for you to make money as well. It's truly a win-win situation. Again, if you would like to know more about affiliate marketing, I have a link to the 15-day business challenge below, as well as a free copy of my ebook that's in the link at the description below. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys all in the next video.